What's the meaning of Catcher in the Rye? Catcher in the Rye. Catcher in the Rye.
Catcher in the Rye. Catcher in the Rye. The Catcher in the Rye is a novel by J.D. Salinger, published in 1951. It is a coming-of-age story about a teenage boy named Holden Caulfield who struggles with growing up and facing the complexities of adulthood. The book has been interpreted as a critique of American society, a study of adolescent angst, and a reflection of Salinger's own life experiences. The title is derived from a misheard lyric in a song, where Holden imagines himself as the catcher in the rye, protecting children from falling off a cliff into the corrupt world of adulthood.